differential equation capital D square plus capital D minus 2 acting on y equals 2 raised to minus x. Here we have capital D is the differential operator where capital D equals d by dx. Since we have a non-homogeneous type of differential equation, general solution will consist of two parts, complementary function as well as particular integral. We have complementary function can be calculated using auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is obtained by replacing capital D by m in the expression of f of d, where f of d equals d square plus capital D minus 2. Thus we have auxiliary equation is m square plus m minus 2 equals 0. We have two roots for auxiliary equation which are m1 equals minus 2 and m2 equals 1. Since we have distinct roots, complementary function will be c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x or c2 e raised to x plus c1 e raised to minus 2x. c1 and c2 are just arbitrary constants. In order to evaluate pi, we will use the formula 1 by f of d acting on RHS, which is 2 raised to minus x. Since we are familiar with the rule of evaluating pi, whenever RHS is e raised to ax, we will try to transform 2 raised to minus x to an exponential function. Since we have a raised to x equals e raised to log of a raised to x, this is because consider a raised to x equals y, which equals e raised to log y, because logarithmic function is the inverse of exponential function. Hence we have a raised to x equals e raised to log of a raised to x. Since we have the logarithmic rule, log of a raised to b equals b times log a, we can rewrite log of a raised to x as x times log a. Thus we have a raised to x equals e raised to x log a. Here when you give a equals 2 and x is replaced by minus x, we have 2 raised to minus x equals e raised to minus x log 2. Here we have the coefficient of x will be minus log 2. We have rewritten 2 raised to minus x as e raised to minus log 2 multiplied to x. From here we have x has the coefficient a equals minus log 2. By rule we have, in order to evaluate pi, when the RHS is exponential function of the format e raised to ax, we will have to replace capital D by a in the expression of f of d. Here we have f of d equals d square plus d minus 2. When capital D is replaced by a equals minus log 2, we obtain the denominator as minus log 2 the whole square plus minus log 2 minus 2. Thus we have the denominator becoming log 2 the whole square minus log 2 minus 2, which is a non-zero quantity. You can rewrite e raised to minus log 2 into x as 2 raised to minus x itself. Having found pi, now we can write the general solution, which will be the sum of cf and pi. We obtain general solution y equals c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x plus 1 by log 2 square minus log 2 minus 2 multiplied to 2 raised to minus x.